Hey everyone, so this is the beginning of the stream. I know, exciting. So I think first off, because most of you are probably out of the loop, I think it's only fair if I show you what I was doing beforehand with this Hello World program. So let me set up the virtual machine the correct way. Give me a minute. This looks about right. And I hope my internet doesn't cut out, but my hopes aren't very high. There we are, this looks good. So first off I'm going to show you what I've been doing with the program, and I'll give you a little brief history. Hopefully it's nothing. Okay, good. Not, holy crap, that was loud. Let me see if I can get a hotkey for, scared me, holy cow. Let's see. Push to talk. I'll do control. It's generally my go-to. Why didn't that work? Wow, not good to already have. Or no, push to talk. Alright, it's not gonna work. Whatever. So yeah, pretty much it. So day 1 I created this Hello GUI thing. Day 2 I created the button. Day 3 I made it do this when you press the button. I know it's still pretty it's still pretty primitive, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So what I'm gonna be doing now is hopefully add a little bit more to the program. I'm thinking of a, yeah, I know VMware. I'm not exactly sure what I'm thinking today. Maybe, so this is what I have for code so far. Most of it is taken from Microsoft, because that's, funnily enough, that's where I am. I'm using their public articles to kind of get my feet on the ground. So I think I'm gonna see. Hold on, I'm gonna flip back to this for a second. I'm gonna open up something that I'm not sure is gonna pop up on the secondary. Yeah, I was right. Alright. Alright, back to this. Let's see. There we are. Alright. There we are. Gotta have Discord on this monitor. So, I'm gonna do... I was thinking of doing a slider box. So let's see. Windows, C++, slider box. Or what is it called? Slider. Let's see. Is this... I don't remember what it was called in Visual Studio. Come on. Wow. Look at this. Wow. How useful. Go into Visual Studio, drag in a slider control, and name it. Wow, so useful. Okay, this looks ancient enough where it might work. Come on. Really, I don't have access to Visual Studio. Something else then. I'll do a checkbox if this is really going to be that difficult. Sure. You know what? Why not? Actually, you know what? I think the reason they're not doing this is because they want me to kind of, I guess, figure it out on my own. Yeah. Yeah. I guess. So let's see, what can I do here? This is in C++, so let's get the Microsoft Word back up. Control class. Where does it declare it in here? Let's see, button. Where did I do the button? Button. And that is why I did it on this monitor, because if I put it on my other monitor, I would have just leaked my first name, or last name just now. Excuse me. Is the right file? What is this? Hold on, back to this. This doesn't look right. Wow, what a great start. Is the Rosket? Close workspace, or close folder, whatever it's called. No, we're good. The Rosket. Okay, I was in the wrong file. That would help if I was in the right file. Alright, I was in the wrong file. Oh, I feel so stupid. Alright, let's see. So, what did I do here for the button? L result, win process. Actually, no. What is the button? H-win, button, create window. Def push button. I wonder if I can just do... Hold on a minute. What's your issue? I forgot what's your issue? I swear. This is the most childish programming. Computers are so childish. You forgot a semicolon! Oh, that's just... WS2. Oh, that's because I wasn't finished typing it. Oh, whoa, okay. Checkbox. Yeah, 824, 570. Yeah, it's probably not good to copy that from there. I'll do 724, 478, 100, 100, h-wind, null, and instance get window long pointer h WLP hints. Is this thing working? Wow, the stupid keyboard overlay I spent all this time setting up wasn't even on all this time. Wow. Alright, G instance, comma, no. Yeah, alright, apparently a pointer isn't needed. Alright, this looks good. Predefined class button. What is it in the window? WSEX. SC window class. That's just the class. Google to the rescue. So it looks like C checklist box. I'll just do checklist box just to be sure. Checklist box. Alright, and now I compile it and pray. And, let's see, alright. Alright, I don't care if you know my first name. Ninja Live CD-J 16. See if it errors out, or if it works. Yeah, it errored out. H-wind thing. Unused variable H-wind thing. Oh, that's because I have to do, what did I do before? Well, oh yeah, if, well, H-wind thing. Oopsie. I did it. You know what? I'm not even gonna finish that. Alright. Let's see. Again, these aren't gonna be terribly long streams. Sorry for you guys who like the long streams. These are probably only gonna be like 20 minutes in length. Because see if this works. Wow, I am genuinely surprised. But then again, I did upgrade my firewall's hardware since the last time I streamed, so that's probably what did it. I upgraded it from an old Core 2 Duo to a Xeon, and it seems that really helps. Going from a Core 2 Duo to a Xeon, especially a Xeon that doesn't have any blown capacitors like the previous one did. Yeah, the previous system with blown capacitors. I'm beginning to wonder if that's why the streams kept cutting out, because whenever I would stream, it would crash that poor thing. Alright, X, ReactOS, System 32. And that didn't do anything. Never fear, though, because Google is here. Yeah, I know. So, how did I do that before? I might have had to. It's a Windows process. Such message case clicked. So this guy here has it pretty different to mine. So he actually kept it as button. Let's see what he did. He formatted it different than me. Auto checkbox. There's a difference between a checkbox and an auto checkbox. did EX. Actually, no, this seems good enough. Alright, see if that does anything. Let's see if that fixes my problem. Wrong player. That's VLC media player, not workstation player. Come on. No, let's do VMware player stretch. There, now you can really see what's going on. Ta-da! Now you get a full screen view of ReactOS, even if it is stretched. So X ReactOS System 32. Whoa, hello world or test GUI. Oh, okay, it's working now. So what was the difference between the auto checkbox and the regular checkbox? Now I gotta know, what is the difference between the... oh shoot, that wasn't supposed to do that. That's a problem for later though. So why did that do that? Why did auto check... that's all I copied from this guy's code. All I did was change the checkbox to an auto checkbox. So let's see. Button styles from Microsoft. Auto creates a button. It's the same as a radio button. Oh, it creates a button that is the same as a checkbox. Oh, wow. Okay. That is definitely very useful. And that's why it's triggering my code, is because I didn't program it to discriminate between buttons yet, because I thought I wouldn't need that yet. Okay, that makes a lot of sense now. Alright, I think with that, I can go ahead and commit it to my personal repository. And yes, that is my wallpaper. And let's flip it to this before GitHub desktop opens and leaks something it shouldn't. Alright, it didn't. Good. And I'll just go ahead and... there we are. You get to see me commit it to my repository. So I am going to call this something original. Add checkbox to the program. Yip, yippee, whoopee, hey-ya. I don't know what I'm doing. That's actually a little childish. Just realized I always act so loopy on stream. I have a silly personality. Still need to teach you, teach, that sounds silly. Still need to, change the button press code to, is against, or to check which button is pressed, and commit to the master that is there. And now, if I go into the GitHub repo for my ReactOS thing, wrong one, gotta be careful because there are some private repos, or pull the thing, there, now we can push, okay, I updated it a little bit, and we refresh the page. Ta-da! Yay! It's updated now. Yippee. So, yep, I don't know why it got called that instead of what it should have been called, but, wow, a lot of deleted, excuse me, code. Let's see if it actually updated here, because now I'm getting a little suspicious. Base. Applications, still behind a little. I don't care anymore. I'm not even gonna bother pulling to me. So we're retest. Okay, add a checkbox to the program. That did work. Okay. So, with that, I can say the first episode was a success, besides some minor issues. So, I am just going to watch the stream and wait for YouTube to get up to date, and then I'll end the stream. So, yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and take care.